सुगुर कंप्यूटर ट्रेनिंग सेंटर यहाँ पर स्टूडेंट्स की स्किल्स को बढ़ाया जाता और इस इंस्टीट्यूट में कंप्यूटर बेसिक्स, एमएस ऑफिस, टैली, ईआरपी सॉफ्टवेयर और आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस और चैट जीपीटी जैसे एडवांस लेवल तक इंफॉर्मेशन गाइडेंस दिया जाता है। इसी के साथ सुगुर कंप्यूटर ट्रेनिंग सेंटर के 3 साल मुकम्मल होने पर तमाम स्टूडेंट्स को सुगुर ट्रेनिंग सेंटर की जानिब से सर्टिफिकेट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया गया है। इस मौके पर चीफ गेस्ट के तौर पर यहाँ पर मौजूद रहे जनाब मिसबाउर रहमान शोला साहब शाहपुर, जनाब अवध बिन चाउस साहब, शेख मोहिउद्दीन श्रीशल सर। तमाम गेस्ट ने इस इवेंट के जरिए तमाम स्टूडेंट्स की हिम्मत अफजाई की। आइए देखते हैं इस इवेंट के शॉर्ट हाइलाइट्स। आप एडमिशन्स के लिए स्क्रीन पर दिए गए नंबर पर भी कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं।
Hello, one and all.
Wishing you a peaceful and beautiful evening to all.
Myself Aksar Tarannu,
Myself Fariha Misbah.
your host for the evening. Welcome to all. An open door is a welcome that makes a stranger into a friend.
Today we gathered here to celebrate certificate ceremony of certificate in basic computer.
This is a 3-month course that helps students learn how to operate a computer and basic computer applications.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome today's guest.
I would heartily welcome to the Sri Shel Sir, Government Polytechnic HOD and Electronic Department.
Wholeheartedly, I welcome to Awad bin Chaus, Chairman of Yadgir Waqf Board.
From bottom of my heart, I would like to welcome Sheikh Mohinuddin Subur, Manager of Tata Technologies.
I am welcoming from heart to Misbah Rahman, Chairman of Chola Foundation.
Let's begin to the function.
Thanking to guest. It was a pleasure to see you there and we hope you had a wonderful time. Thank you for your participation and support. I would like to invite Yusuf sir to welcome the guests.
So thanks to our guests, those who came here by one call only. Thanks to Misbah Rahman from Shola Foundation, Chairman of, and thanks to my brother, elder brother Sheikh Mohiuddin, Technical Manager at Tata Technologies, and thanks to my best childhood friend Srishel, HOD of Electronics and Communication Department from Government Polytechnic, Surpur, and thanks to Awad bin Chaush Bhai from Chairman of Waqf Board. Thanks for coming here. And I want to do Gul Khushi for everyone.
आज इतने से रूम्स है सुगुर ट्रेनिंग सेंटर 2-3 साल से राब्ता में थे हम। ये स्किल का कभी कभी डिस्कस भी करते रहते थे, मगर एक छोटे से एरिया से हमारे शाहपुर की बहुत फ़ख्र है कि इतना बड़ा जॉब करते हुए भी ये जो माहौल बना है यूसुफ सुगुर साहब, बहुत बड़ी बात है। इंशाल्लाह स्किल हम ट्रेनिंग एनजीओ में ज्वाइन होते थे, देखे थे कैसा बच्चों को आगे के फ्यूचर के लिए ट्रेनिंग कहाँ देना। सिर्फ मेट्रो सिटी में था ये जो यूसुफ साहब शुरू करे, ये माहौल देख के बहुत खुशी हो गई। इंशाल्लाह बहुत से ऐसे बेनिफिट्स है औकाफ बोर्ड से भी, इंशाल्लाह बहुत से अभी आगे एजुकेशन के लिए होंगे, हेल्थ के लिए होंगे, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एजुकेशन हेल्थ, इसके लिए बहुत से प्रोग्रेस वक्फ बोर्ड से आगे होने वाले हैं। अभी उसमें एडिशनल नहीं होने की वजह से कुछ पेंडिंग्स है। यूसुफ साहब का और पूरे स्टूडेंट्स का यहाँ का जो माहौल देख के एक शाहपुर के लिए एक अच्छा मैसेज है। जो माहौल बनाए इंशाल्लाह और स्किल्स होंगे और आगे राब्ता यूसुफ साहब से करिए, बहुत पहुंची हुई हस्ती है और क्वालिफाइड फैमिली है। और बहुत से हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट, हमारे जो मिसबाह रहमान, जो लास्ट टाइम जो 10th एग्जाम के लिए एक बहुत बड़ा एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल में भी प्रोग्राम हुआ था, खाली एक स्टेट नहीं, इंडिया लेवल पे भी एक मैसेज चले गया। और उसी तरह एक यूनिटी बना के हमारे को आगे मिल्लत के लिए, कौम के लिए काम करना है। और यूसुफ साहब का शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ।
Respected dignitaries on the dais, Sugur Computer Center Training President Moinuddin sir, today's guest and Waqf Board Chairman sir, and Chairman of Shola Foundation sir, and Khadar sir, and my childhood friend, best friend, well-wisher, Mr. Muhammad Yusuf, and my dear students. So, after seeing this certificate and these institutions, I became very happy to see you all. So, I have also born and brought up and developed whole in this area only, in Khawaspur area only. Up to 10th class, I have stayed in this Khawaspur area only. I know it, how this area was previously, now how developed. But now I am very happy to see this area, and also Sugur family serving a social service as I feel now, because
Assalamu alaikum. To special thanks for all guests who has came here and spent some valuable time to our family institute. I really say I never visited this institute since from past couple of months, but by seeing the strength of the students, I am feeling great. Yeah, really it is a great achievement for us. Such a great learning happening here, and students are very interested to learn the things. Really feeling very happy from my heart. The point to be what I want to discuss is, please don't take this one is easy. Okay, don't take this one easy. Just use your mind and it will take you to the top. Believe me, peoples are earning lakhs of rupees in abroad, but they don't know how to operate the computer. I have seen from my eyes. They will graduate, they will pass from here, they will got the job, but still peoples are not able to operate the computer because of the fear. They, if you learn in the time when you required, that is very good. If you try to learn at the time of during the job, then it is very difficult to handle the situations. So I request to you all, this is just a preliminary stage for you guys. Just so many things are there to learn. Nowadays AI system is there, very challenging system is there. I know most of people are spending time in Facebook or some phones and all in your home time. Spend, I don't care, I will not say don't spend, but there are some good things also there behind that. Please watch it. Nowadays so many apps or websites are there. From there, if you use your mind, you can earn by sitting in your home, only by using some simple basic knowledge. You don't believe you can run your home by just operating your phone. People are doing, I seen from my eyes. So why I'm saying means, once you start using your brain, once you start hit your brain, once many ideas will come to you. So we given you one spark to you. Okay, use this spark, don't waste this, don't dump into the box, use this spark. Many things are there, many ways are there. You just adopt that one and try to earn from there, learn from there. Spend money, don't hesitate to spend money. Once you spend money, things will come to you. Okay, if you